In the late 2025, the government reduced GST on commercial vehicles from 28% to 18%. On ground reality, prices didn't come down by a full 10%. How the prices of 12-wheel open body are in Ashok Leyland, Bharat Benz and Tata Motors. Do not expect that trucks have become very cheap because of GST cut. In the last 1 year, RBI has also cut down interest rate by 1.25%. So interest on loan amount for truck owners have also come down to 1%. For small fleet owners and single fleet owners, this is the correct time to purchase your truck. In the late 2025, the government reduced GST on commercial vehicles from 28% to 18%. On paper, this might look as a big relief for truck prices. On ground reality, prices didn't come down by a full 10%. This is because when the GST cut happened, manufacturers reduced their heavy discounts which they were giving before. So the benefit that reached customer is only partial. Now let's see how the prices of 12-wheel open body are in Ashok Leyland, Bharat Benz and Tata Motors. Ashok Leyland's 12-wheel truck mostly comes with chassis plus cabin form. The truck body is not included in the ex-showroom price. It has to be later fitted by a bodybuilder. Now let's see the prices of Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland model AVTR 3520 8x2. Before GST cut, it was 38 lakhs to 41 lakhs. After GST cut, it is 35 lakhs to 38 lakhs. AVTR model 3520 8x4. Before GST was 46 lakh to 50 lakh. After GST cut, it is 43 lakhs to 47 lakhs. Next, 3525 model 8x4. Before GST cut, it was 54 lakhs to 58 lakhs. After GST cut, it is 51 lakhs to 54 lakhs. All these are chassis plus cabin price only. The actual reduction happened till 2.5 lakh to 4 lakh, but not 10%. In this, open flat body fitment cost has to be added separately. Ashok Leyland's strength is its maintenance network is strong, spare availability is easy, and also resale value is decent. Next is Tata Motors. In Tata Motors, Signa series is very popular. LPT 3518 or 3525 cowl. Before GST cut, it was 39 lakhs to 43 lakhs. After GST cut, it is 36 lakhs to 40 lakhs. Signa 3523.TK. Before GST cut, it was 44 lakhs to 56 lakhs. After GST cut, it is 40 lakhs to 51 lakhs. Signa 3525 or 3530. Before GST cut, it was 50 lakhs to 58 lakhs. After GST cut, it is 45 lakhs to 53 lakhs. In Tata Motors, the rate reduction is visible. But before that, Tata Motors were also giving some higher discounts which they have withdrawn now. However, Tata Signa models is initially higher in price compared to Ashok Leyland models. Here also, the truck body price is not included. Body fitment must be done separately. Next, Bharat Benz. Bharat Benz has a strong reputation in 12-wheeler segment and also in heavy duty side. Now Bharat Benz model 3526R, before GST cut, it was 39 lakhs to 43 lakhs. After GST cut, it is 36 lakhs to 40 lakhs. 3523 RT or 3832R, before GST cut, it was 44 lakhs to 48 lakhs. After GST cut, it is 40 lakhs to 44 lakhs. 3528C, before GST cut, it was 50 lakhs to 60 lakhs. After GST cut, it is 46 lakhs to 55 lakhs. Bharat Benz advantages is robust frame, engine durability, and also long-haul stability. But their service network and spare parts are only strong in selective areas. Again, all these are cabin plus chassis price only. If you want to buy a 12-wheel open body truck, looking only at a ex-showroom price is not enough. Now, body build cost for open flatbed side stakes 1.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs depending on the material and length. Plus, there is RTO and road tax state-wise. Also, insurance. For insurance also you have to pay GST. So calculate all together. For example, if ex-showroom price is 40 lakhs, on road with open body can cost around 46 to 48 lakhs. Now after GST cut, which company is giving the best value? If you talk about Ashok Leyland, is slightly lower entry price, easy maintenance and good resale value. Tata Motors, which provides strong chassis, slightly higher in price, but they have wider network. Bharat Benz's heavy duty reliability, higher initial cost, but good for long-term heavy hauls. Now, which one is best for you depends on your load type, route, service availability, and comfort. The final takeaway is do not expect that trucks have become very cheap because of GST cut. In the last 1 year, RBI has also cut down interest rate by 1.25%. So, interest on loan amount for truck owners have also come down to 1%. Look at this table. You can clearly see how step by step the repo rate has been coming down. From December 2024 to now in 2025, it has fallen from 6.50% to 5.25%. With this, we can say that EMI has been slightly more manageable and entry barrier is reduced. I would say for small fleet owners and single fleet owners, this is the correct time to purchase your truck. Especially for next 1 to 2 years, market signal says that demands will remain steady. If you choose the correct model, correct route, and correct finance, the benefit of GST rate cut, interest rate cut will reflect to you slowly but steadily. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching.